Are you thinking about buying the JetHose Pressure Washer that promises to turn your ordinary garden hose into a powerful cleaning machine? Well, before you hit that buy button, let's break it down and find out if it's really worth your money or just another overhyped product. Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel that helps you avoid scams and make smarter buying decisions online. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay updated. The JetHose Pressure Washer is marketed as an affordable alternative to an expensive pressure washer. It claims to boost water pressure instantly, making it easy to clean cars, driveways, patios, windows, and more. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the reality. The JetHose doesn't actually increase your water pressure. It works only with the pressure that's already coming from your tap. What it really does is concentrate the flow into a narrower stream, which can make it feel stronger. But it's nowhere near the power of a real pressure washer. Many buyers report being disappointed because it doesn't blast away dirt or stains like the ads show. While it can be handy for light rinsing jobs like watering plants, washing windows, or cleaning dust off your car, it struggles with tough tasks like removing grime, moss, or oil stains. The build quality is another mixed bag. Some people say it's okay for the price, while others complain that the nozzle feels flimsy and doesn't last long. Considering that the price can be marked up a lot depending on where you buy it, you may not be getting great value. So, is the JetHose Pressure Washer worth buying? If you're expecting the power of a real pressure washer, you'll be disappointed. But if you just want a budget-friendly tool for light cleaning and don't mind its limitations, it might do the trick. For heavy-duty cleaning, though, it's better to invest in a proper pressure washer. Thanks for watching today's review. What do you think about the JetHose? Worth it or a scammy gimmick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews that protect your time and money. Thank you.